Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'll be telling you about a very prestigious scholarship in China that is being offered by the Xi'an government and an initiative of the Belt and Road Program. We will be talking about the Shanxi Normal University's Xi'an Belt and Road Scholarship for the academic year 2024. Let's have a bit of overview of this scholarship. This scholarship is partially funded and it is being offered by the Shanxi Normal University, and it is available for bachelor's, master's and PhD level programs. All the subjects are available for this scholarship, and the benefits include scholarship coverage, and it depends on the program you are taking. Like for the bachelor program it is 25,000 Chinese yuan per person, and for the masters it is 20,000, while for the doctoral programs it is 15,000. Now if you further talk about the Chinese language program, that is actually less than 10 months, or you can say less than 6 months. It is about 1,000 Chinese yuan per person per month. This program only provides scholarship up to 1 year. When registering, you must cover your tuition fee, accommodation, insurance, etc. until the scholarship application is approved. Like, you will only get this scholarship coverage when you are accepted for this scholarship. Now let's talk about the nationalities. This is open to international students of all the nationalities around the globe, so you can apply for this scholarship easily. The eligibility criteria, if you further talk about the eligibility criteria, so you must possess a passport of the Belt and Road countries. There are almost about 69 up to 69 countries that are included in the Belt and Road countries. You can still check it out on the official website. The country you belong to must have a good relationship with the China, and you must be in a good physical and mental health, good morals, follow rules and regulations, and studious and hardworking. So this thing matters a lot as well. You must obey the Chinese law regulations and also follow the school discipline rules. But there is this one thing that you need to keep in check. Like, if you're applying for this Belt and Road scholarship, don't apply for another Chinese scholarship, because you will not be eligible then. Now if you further talk about the age criteria, for the bachelor program it is under the age of 30, for the master's program it is under the age of 35, for the doctoral it is under the age of 40, but for the Chinese language applicant it should be under the age of 40. Now if we further talk about the language requirements, as if you are applying for the English taught program, they will be needing some sort of English proficiency test or a proof of English proficiency that includes IELTS about a score of 6.0 minimum, or a TOEFL score of about 60 minimum. Now or you can also provide some other sort of language proficiency tests that include Duolingo, and but there is this one thing you need to know, that if your language is English as a native language or Chinese, you does not need any proof of language proficiency at all. Now further talk about the application procedure, like how to apply for this prestigious scholarship. The document that are required for this scholarship includes your copy of passport's homepage, your highest diploma, your original academic transcript, your study plan, 2 recommendation letter from your professors, and valid HSK certificate or language proficiency certificate. Like, if you are getting a Chinese taught program, you need an HSK certificate, and for the English taught program you need an English proficiency certificate. Now if you further talk about the documents, you need a certificate of non-criminal record, and your mental and physical health should be good. So as a proof you need a foreign physical examination form. Now let's talk about the application procedure. So you need to submit all the documents that I have told you. The application form is accessible through the application portal on the official website. I will be taking you. This is the official page of Shanxi Normal University, and here they have given all the instructions. Now we further talk about the majors. There are different education, chemistry, computer, software and technology, material science, and for the masters, historical, cultural heritage. These all are Chinese taught programs. Now if we further talk about the science taught programs, it includes humanities subjects, and science, engineering and fine arts subjects. Now if you further talk about the application procedure, you need to go to this link they have given over here. Just copy and paste in the browser and go to this link, and you need to register yourself. There is application portal, you need to log in first, and in order to log in you need to register yourself first. After registering, you need to add your email address and password and then sign up for it. Then you will be able to access the application portal. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are thinking of going to China. This is a very prestigious scholarship, and who are dreaming of studying in China. It's a very great opportunity. It's gonna expire soon. The deadline is on 30th April 2024. And if you have any scholarship that you want me to cover, just ask me in the comment section down below. And if you are facing any problem while applying, you can just ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Take care. Bye.